Good morning. We have to look at the windows today. So here in France, the windows open like this. We can order different windows from Sweden, Poland, Germany that open up like they do in America or open out. But since this is our first renovation and some people have told us beware of ordering.
Let me take over. What I was suggesting to Jen was that we could maybe hollow out the center of this and go in like pockets on both sides. That way when she, instead of having these French doors that get in the way when she's doing work, you could just take the doors and just slide them into the walls. And now you'd have your nice open space. I don't know what that process entails as far as if it's structurally okay. I'm going to talk to Sebastian today and see what he thinks.
Right now, I can get a sliding window, but it's only half.
Yeah.
So it would slide and then this half would just be stay put. And I don't want that. These are such glorious big windows that I'd like to have the whole thing open.
Yeah, it'd be nice.
And we're going to go to Victor's place today, who we got the beams from, because we have to get tiles for this.
Yeah, all of the window sills. We're going to take off the window sills. And if you notice, this window sill is flat, but this one is angled. And the reason for that is so that when the rain comes down, it falls off and doesn't go into your window.
So we have to get measurements for this.
Look at that beautiful beam, huh?
I know. That's why we're going to get 2 more for the bedroom.
Oh, let's go show the bedroom what we're planning on.
For this one here, the radiator's going, right?
The radiator's going.
Oh, so that gives us a little more space. We're going to have an armoire in the corner. See that? These windows here, because right now, again, we rented this place for a year before we bought it. So when I wanted the window open, it's like...
Yeah, there's no room.
So I'm going to get a sliding window here.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And we're going to take the jail bars off and put shutters there.
Okay.
Beautiful shutters.
All right, that's a good idea.
Wood beams. Let's put the old wood beam that we couldn't use in the dinette, we put one here. And we put another one.
Yeah, basically on the 2 sides of the windows, 1 beam here and then 1 beam over there.
Okay,
you have
great.
2 beams.
2 big paintings over there from a local artist.
Yep.
It will add some beautiful color over here. I wanted to, for this fireplace, I'd like it to go straight up with a beautiful mirror, but Noah likes the
I'm
different
against
shape.
that. I think that shape is kind of nice. I'd like to hear everyone's opinion on that. I think that's a unique
and we'll
shape.
extend the mantle so it actually is a mantle.
Yeah, a little wider.
The one news we did get was Roland the electrician. He said no to the project.
He did. He said no, unfortunately.
He said in his old age, it's really not a project he can take on.
Yeah, so that's all right. We got another guy coming today at 4 o'clock. We're going to talk to him. And we actually made contact with the electrician that did the redo of the electric in the house. So it might be good to hire him if he comes to, because he understands it.
Unless he's the one that kept all the electrical wires out.
Like I said, I don't think those wires are actually active now that I've looked at it. I don't think they're alive. But we'll talk to him when he comes, so we'll see. See, I don't know how, I would assume we're going to, if he builds this out, see this what I'm saying, we need to find Teddy. The bigger one is going to be better.
Yeah.
Well, because you need it to overhang 5 or 6 inches, building that out, and that would give you another inch of overhang. So it would be like this.
Because once we put the stone on this facade,
There's stone here.
The stone will come out.
Stone will come out to here.
This is what we need here.
Stone will come out to here.
Okay.
And then you see, so you would have a little overhang if you had this.
Let's look at this side over here.
So the stone's going to kick out to between 5 and 6 inches, or 5 and 6 centimeters. And then, so there, you'd have a little overhang. A little
so that's perfect.
This is a big overhang. I don't like a big overhang.
Yeah.
But a little overhang would be nice.
All right, so we have to go, we'll get those tiles for the outside. I think that's perfect. Unless we pick a different size, different shape.
Well, we need it to be this length. This is the 22.
And we just need that side and this side. Okay, so for the windowsill, this is what we're doing.
I would just come here like that.
I like it. The other option was this. This is the 16th century tile, but it doesn't really match. So.
No, you could do that, and then it would be here like this. Oh, pardon. And you have more of an overhang. They could probably cut this too. All right, so we had some excitement today. Unfortunately, Marvin fell through the hole. Yeah, fell right through the ceiling. We weren't here to capture it, but he's got a pretty good bruise on his back, and luckily he's okay, but quite scary, quite scary.
Lunch break. We are feasting. Coco vin. That's gnocchi. So the tiles we were going to get for the windowsill in the dining room, they don't have them. They reserve them from another client.
Okay.
So this actually, peut-être, this would be good. Ce sera bon pour le sol.
Oui, dans le petit salon,
Yeah.
dans la cuisine, parce que c'est la même couleur. Ça,
This would be good for the
Ça.
floor in the petit salle à manger. It's all different colors.
c'est les mêmes couleurs. Il faut que je fasse déjà ça.
Or you can go with the light color. They have enough of that.
We're meeting with Bruno, the electrician.
All right, let's go see if Bruno's got any good ideas.
And he actually worked on this house before, he said.
Oh, this is who this is?
Yes.
Ah, parfait.
But I don't see him. I don't see him. Bruno? Où es-tu? Ah! Oh là là.
Bonjour.
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 Ça
Ça va?
Ça va, je m'appelle Noah.
OK.
En 80. Mais à l'époque, quand j'ai travaillé en 92, ça n'existait pas.
Oh,
Ça
so
a été fait après. Ça a été fait après.
What did he do?
this was never here when he did the electrician.
À
Ah.
la maison, c'était que ça. Ça. Il y a les lignes sanitaires qui sont au-dessus, là.
Oh, so he did it before the extensions.
Wow.
Oh, bonjour. Oh, squeeze through here.
All right, well, we wrapped up another day.
Another day of lots of work.
The first phase of the Sebastian work is complete. The beam is up. They're coming on Monday because we hired them to do some more work, putting in the roof.
You have to get a ceiling on too.
We have to get a ceiling. So the ceiling and then the actual roof.
Made other progress. We went to the to Victor's place where we got the beam. He's also going to supply us with the carrelage, the tile for the kitchen.
Yes, we found some beautiful different colored
Tomettes.
tiles.
All different colors in the different shades.
We're going to get a new beam for Jenny's room. We're going to have two. We found out we can't do our pocket doors, pocket windows.
I wanted those pocket windows so I can open it fully. That's not going to happen, but it's not the worst thing. We can do that.
Yep.
We had a new electrician
Bruno came by.
And
He
he
worked on the house 25 years
25
ago.
years ago.
And he said, we showed him a lot of the spots that I thought were pretty badly done. He says, I didn't do those.
Yes.
So he said there was another electrician that was very poor that came before him. He did the best he could to repair it, but now he's ready to really do the good work here. So
And the good thing is, he was recommended actually by our cuisiniste, our kitchen guy, Ryan.
Yes.
And Ryan says he does excellent work.
He's worked with them before, so that's going to be great. Those two coordinate when they do the kitchen.
And this weekend, we have Noah's birthday.
Oh, that's right. We do. We're going to a very nice restaurant tomorrow, Chez Bruno.
In Lorg.
Every dish has truffles in it.
A little bit of truffles.
I like truffles. I don't know if I like every
We'll see.
dish, but we're going to see how that goes.
We'll do some filming there, but most importantly, we have the, the Quince Festival in our village on Sunday.
That's right.
So before coming to France, I had never even heard of Quince.
Quince?
Quince,
Quince?
Quince, as the French call it.
But yeah, we'll showcase some of the festival. That'll be nice. And we're due for some good weather. It's very windy. The wind comes in cycles here. So this is one of the 6-day cycles of wind. So it's going to be windy for the next
Noah just
4
learned
days.
that from Victor, the stone cutter, today.
I've known that forever. We're making progress. Another day, another dollar.
It doesn't seem like a lot is done.
Oh, believe
And
me, a lot has been
A
done.
lot has been done.
We talked to some people and they said it's better to do this than try to start from a fresh ground. So it's working out well.
And the house wasn't built well to begin with, so I want to bring new life in it. I
Restore
want to
it.
give it the love it deserves.
Yeah. All right. A biento.
A biento.